Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Empties video to share with you guys. To get started, just to get this big bulky thing out of the way, I have a white cloud cotton swab 750 count. This lasted us forever, you guys. Use it for the bathroom, my makeup table, all that good stuff. Now I have a ton of wipes like always, so I want to start with these. I got the Equate flushable cleansing cloths. These were nice, they always are. Sensitive skin ones, 32 cloths. DollarTree has them for $1 for like a 32 count, but I hear awful things about those, so I'll continue to get the Equate brand. I have one package of makeup remover wipes from Pure and Gentle this time. Love these wipes, 97 cents at Walmart. Can't speak enough about these. I love them, love, love, love. I have another makeup wipe here. I just did a review on them. And these are the Aurora Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. 40 for $1 at the Dollar General. These are good as well. I do think that the Pure and Gentle are a little bit better, but these do the job that they're supposed to. Also from Dollar General, I love these wipes. You get 88 wipes in here for $1. They're just baby wipes, alcohol-free, chlorine-free, and paraben-free. What's not to love? I mean, they're kind of thin, they're kind of stretchy, but they're super moist. And they do what they're supposed to. Then I have several packs of baby wipes, but I use these for all kinds of sorts of things. So I always have a ton of them. But I have a 56 count Parents' Choice baby wipes. These I like to keep in Connor's backpack. It's a smaller package. They're like $1, and they work, you know, for face, hands, butt, whatever you might need them for. I also had a 3-pack of the 72 count wipes, the Powder Fresh ones. I love the scent of these. They're my favorite. So I had 3 of those. Once again, makeup, hands, face. Even though I am not entirely done with this product, I still wanted to share it with you guys. It's the Zote soap. I believe it's 88 cents at Walmart, and I heard everyone using it for their makeup brushes, and honestly, I heard some pros and cons of the product, but my experience so far has been very good, and I love using it on my AOA Studio pink brush set, the All About the Eyes set. They have white bristles in them, and spot cleaning them does not get them entirely clean. I hate when they start to stain. This brings almost all the stain out of them, gets them super clean, and I wash them with the Zote soap every single time I use them, which is almost every single time I do my makeups, which is a lot. So I've been loving this soap. Gets my brushes so clean. I have a Garnier Clean Plus Nourishing Cleansing Oil for dry skin. This is a makeup remover. I'm done with that. It was really good. I do not even know if they make that product anymore. It took me forever to get through it because it's like an old product. So nice. I have a Listerine Original here. Gone. It's our favorite mouthwash. I have some Suave shampoos. This one's not entirely gone, but I'm going to see if my mom wants the rest of it, because I typically use all my conditioners before I use the shampoo. Anyone else have that issue? But this is Juicy Green Apple. I like this one. It was a really nice scent. I still do prefer my coconut or my almond one. I can't wait to try the rose one they came out with. I'm going to pick that up this weekend. And, but yeah, the Juicy Green Apple was good though. It was a good different scent. And here's the conditioner to that. That's gone. Like, there's literally nothing left. I have a body spray from Bath & Body Works, Wild Citrus Sunflower. I don't know if they make this one anymore, but yeah, I finally used it up. It was a nice scent. I have also from Bath & Body Works an old school pocket bag, and this is the Vanilla Bean Noel. A couple candle items. I have a Great Scents Hawaiian Sunset. These are supposed to burn up to 25 hours. They're 3 ounces, yada yada yada. Don't know. I didn't test the 25-hour theory on this particular candle. I have on other DollarTree brands. This one is from Dollar General though. And yeah, it was okay. Like, it did have a little throw, and it felt like, it filled like the kitchen, but nothing like super special. And 2 waxes. I have a Better Homes and Gardens Cinnamon and Spice, which is one of my favorites. I continue to buy it in the big package because I love it. That one's so good. And this one's really nice too for mainstays, the Lilac Breeze Wax Cubes. This one's really strong and florally too. Now I will say these are two very high-pitched, very potent scents, so if you're sensitive to like really scents, like you probably will not like these two because they're very, very strong, and they fill the entire house with scent. Lastly, I have some makeup items to share with you guys. The first one is from e.l.f. and it's a professional concealer brush. These brushes are so stiff and small, I would not recommend using them for concealer unless you were spot concealing, like acne spots or something. But I use this for cuticle cleanup and it works great for that because it's so stiff. For $1. I also have from e.l.f. the Nourishing Cuticle Pen. This is really good. I'll continue to repurchase these. They're very hydrating for your cuticles. It's just an oil pen, and mark that around your cuticles. This one kind of broke a little bit, but I still got my use out of it. Now I have the Milani, Supreme Cocoa Gel Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. There's nothing left of this thing, and I went to find it at Walmart again, and they didn't have it. So I don't know if they don't sell it anymore or just it wasn't available that day. Love that eyeliner. From Sally Hansen, I have the Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil. That's completely gone. From CoverGirl, I have a Katy Cat Eye Mascara. I really did like this mascara. It has a unique kind of wand. It spirals around there, and there's spaces that don't have bristles at all, but I like the formula a lot. At first I hated it, but it dried up a little bit, and then I was like, I used it all the time. And I have the Color Tattoo from Maybelline in Barely Beige. This thing is not entirely gone, but I tried to pan it and I succeeded, but I wanted to finish it as well, but it just kept getting drier and drier and drier. And I have another shade similar to this one, so I thought I would let this one go and just start using the other one, the newer one. So yes, that's all for the Empties. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Empties videos. Check the description box below for all kinds of Dollar Tree links and other additional videos as well. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos.